Hello, my name is Hunter, and for Lab 0 of EEE120, our objective was to design this predetermined circuit in digital, predict the outcome of this design circuit, and run through a simulation to see if our predictions would match our outcome. So we see in this predetermined circuit, we have two inputs, A and B, and output Y. For A and B, they have two outputs each. One that flips or inverts the input given and one that keeps the actual input given. So we see that A and B, their flipped inputs each go to an AND gate and their actual inputs go to the other one. And then the AND gates connect to the OR gate, which connects to Y. So for my predictions of this circuit, if A input 1 and B input 2 were both 0, Y would be 0. If either of them were to be 1, so that the other would be 0, they would both output to 1. But if they were both inputs were 1, the output of the actual circuit would be 0. And if we look at the waveform for this circuit, we see from 0 to 10 nanoseconds that all of them are in the low state, or 0. From 10 to 20 nanoseconds, B is in the high state, and so is Y. From 20 to 30, A and Y are in the high state. But when we go to 30 to 40, A and B are in the high state, and it turns Y to the low state, or 0. And this wave does match the predictions I put, but we can go into digital and run a simulation to see if this matches. So we see that both of them are off, and Y is turned off. If we turn on this one, B, Y turns on, and that does match the prediction. And if we turn B off and turn A on, we see that that also matches the prediction. So now when we turn both on, it turns Y off, because now that each AND gate has a 1 and a 0, they aren't powering the OR, which isn't powering Y. So we see that my predictions did match the circuit in reality, and that I was able to work my way through this and predict the actual outcome.